is where we need to be.
Please.
Guys, we can't log out. And I accidentally said bro way too loud. We have our Macca's. Valued customer. Ooh! Guys, look at Nolene's burger. Yeah, but KFC does it and me and they were like, yeah, that's because KFC. Oh, Hungry Jack's. Because that's Hungry Jack's. Look at her eating it. Thoughts? Okay, okay, queen. Hi, I'm rich. In the arms of the angel. Hi guys, it's currently 5:07 and we're about to go down to the shuttle bus because we're gonna go to the airport. And here are my two companions who were not fully awake. It took them a bit of time to process. Personally, me, I don't even know what to say. Bye! She's sleepy, guys. She's sleepy. It's so dark. So what did we just do? Nice. We are successful.
Did they go this way?
Oh yeah, they're here. They're still doing theirs.
Oh,
We're so quick with it. Alright, bye guys.
Yes.
I don't take a video of your mom. I'm taking a video of the Macca's thing. Oh, your mom's in there, so I'm gonna put like a little arrow to her.
Hi guys, welcome to our hotel. We can't show you the name because Sussex.
Privacy. Sussex. Okay, guys, we got upgraded. We got upgraded
to a family.
Yeah, we got upgraded to fancy. Oh, look at our view. Oh, that's sick. It's a city. Look at the toilet. What the hell? It's folded. Oh, feminine wash.
Oh,
Posterior wash. What is oscillating, pulsating rhythm? Hi guys. So we're now in our hotel room. I think after you saw that clip. Oh my god, look at Kara's smuggler. It's so cute. Apparently his name's Bernie. Anyways, so it's really cold outside and we're gonna go ahead and get some food. We're thinking maybe chicken. Well, that's what I was thinking. I don't know about the rest of them. But yeah, I was gonna wear this scarf, but I'm thinking like maybe I should save it for another time. I've never been confused on how to flush toilet. Hello! It's so cold right now, guys.
It's terrible. Maybe this way because that's where all the...
Yes, so we're gonna go and get some food. Yay! Static walk? Okay, okay, get it, get it. Guys, everybody, I didn't get the memo. Everyone's wearing black, and I'm literally wearing white, like full white puffer with a blue scarf. Look at my bodyguards. That's literally my bodyguards. This is what is going on. Ooh. This is our large iced tea.
Where's my long one?
OMG. I've never eaten anything like this in my life.
I too well.
I am scared. I am scared, guys. Mom's gonna be so proud of me when she sees this video.
Bye bye. Nolene and Suregi.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I wanted to apologize for everything that I've done.
We didn't mean to do that. We will reflect on our actions later.
Yeah. Okay, wait. So what is the agenda today, Nolene?
We eat, we go to Myeongdong,
Yep.
and we go Namsan Tower.
Yeah, because we love people.
And then we go to the night market.
Yes.
And then
it's
we
very
spend our
cool
life
day.
savings.
Yay! We'll see you guys later.
Bye. And this one.
Don't mind my nails. Nolene, show what you're getting. We're getting like the same thing. And Kara got hello. Whoa. There's so many hats.
So fetch.
Oh my god, guys. Korea is not for me. I'm not fit. Like, I'm so tired. There's stairs everywhere. Guys, look down.
Bruh.
What a weird angle.
By the way, I don't know how much it is.
That's so cute.
Oh. He hasn't even taken the video.
Have you started? Hi guys. So we have this. What is this called?
Peach.
Peach. And let's unbox.
Is it gonna fit?
Oh no.
No? Oh yeah, yeah.
See that, guys? Beautiful. Cheers! Hi guys, so we're back and we're gonna be doing a shopping haul of everything that we've gotten. So yeah, with fur.
You guys imagine?
I bought this black scarf because it says egg.
Egg.
Guys, look. Got my bag.
I like that. That's cute.
Show the camera.
It would be cute if it was bigger.
Yeah, I
Yes.
wish.
You could find that in Secret Max.
No, but the
Oh,
brand is
It's a
like
Korean brand.
everyone
Look
that
for
was
yourself.
walking around.
Don't stop comparing to
Everyone that was
TK
no,
Maxx.
everyone that was walking around had that like as a hat. So
I can find your whole wardrobe at TK Maxx.
show
Ah,
us what you got.
The next playground. This is my hat.
So awesome. I was the only one that didn't get earmuffs, so
I am woman.
whose is this?
Oh,
Oh,
Nolene.
that's mine.
This is Nolene's cute sweater.
so cute.
I
can
am
find them.
woman.
Shut up, Neil. Okay. Next one. Who's
Let's go.
okay, are we doing? Are we rolling?
Are we doing?
So we're going to National Botanic and we're the only people wearing earmuffs.
이사도 안 해?
Is that what an axolotl looks like?
Yeah, you're. I mean, you have to. Yeah, I think so.
It's like crab.
Can you show the front? Can you show the front?
I smudged it.
Oh my gosh.
Come here when I do.
Guys, look. Can they see? Ooh. Oh.
Maybe this one.
Are you legit? It's not the sewage smell. It's from this girl. She farted.
I went like this 1, 2, 3, and I farted.
Was that actually you? Yes, it was.
Hey guys, we're back. We left the Namsan Tower, and we're now in Namsan. We're going to the,
Shut up!
Huwag ninyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at like dito.
Why did you say that?
She said it's yelling. Oh, that was a good shot.
Interesting.
We went to 7-Eleven and I got this strawberry milk. What'd you get?
Banana milk.
Banana milk. You get? Hi guys. So we're gonna be going to where?
Young doctor.
Can you say it with my enthusiasm, please? Jungle Palace. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to wear hanboks. Yeah, I just can't hide it. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Welcome to the national weather of Seoul. I am your news forecaster and it's raining and it's super cold and we don't have an umbrella and apparently it might snow.
Let's go. See the
Hey. Oh, you're awesome.
Guys, you want insurance?
Do you have your phone?
I have it.
Give me your fucking money!
Does it touch your neck?
Should we eat here? How much is it?
10,000.
So cute. Oh, my shaky hands. transition. Oh. Hi guys, we're currently in Lotte World and we have our awesome uniforms and I'm very excited. And yeah, so there's a photo spot there. Anyways, we're going down now to Magic Island.
Does anyone miss me? I just saw no one reply. Should keep making videos.
Discuss, because they're discussing with each other. Lol. Guys, I'm gonna show you me and my best friend. Oh my god. They're coming! They're so funny looking! Oh wow. Yo, that's sick. So guys, there's a lot of things to do here, but our tour we only have a bit of time and we decided that we had 2 hours, but time flies fast when you're having fun. So we're gonna go to the bike center. I'm making Nolene hold my map. And then the couple, Cairo and Neil, are coming now. Look at them, so cute. How does it feel that your best friend took your ex-boyfriend? So sad. Love it. This is so awesome. My face is so shiny right now. I'm like trying to fix it, but it's not working out. Yeah! Let's go! Cool. Don't even smile.